Dear comrades, today, under the leadership of Sri Misraji, Staff Side Secretary, and leader of Staff Side, we participated in the NCJCM meeting held with Cabinet Secretary. I participated in the meeting under virtual mode. Today, important issue of dearness allowance payment, night duty allowance, removal of ceiling, and also regarding NPS and Act apprentices were discussed at length. Cabinet Secretary assured that DA installments, 3 installments, and also July installment will be put up to the Cabinet for taking a decision, since the figures of July will be only available in the month of September. So, without linking July DA, we requested that the 3 installments file may be sent to the Cabinet for immediate restoration of the 3 installments from 1st July. We also demanded payment of all arrears, and we are prepared to discuss the modalities how to arrange the payment regarding other issues. The Cabinet Secretary told the Finance Secretary and other people to examine these issues and have held discussion with the NCJCM. Regarding night duty allowance, we explained how Mirabai Tribunal award came, what are the judgments given by the Supreme Court in this regard, and also the 5th, 6th Pay Commission decisions and also 7th Pay Commission decision regarding NDA. There is no ceiling recommended by any of the pay commissions. So, some people doing night duty getting allowance and some other people doing night duty not getting allowance is not correct. So, all the non-gazetted employees who are performing night duty should be paid night duty allowance. Especially in a department like railways and defense, essential categories will work night duty, like loco pilots, guards, ticket checking staff, controllers, station masters, technicians, etc. So, immediate order should be issued restoring the night duty allowance to all the non-gazetted staff by removing the ceiling of rupees 43600. He instructed the Chairman Railway Board and other officials to hold discussion with the DOPT and come to an amicable solution within a short time. Regarding the new pension scheme, we demanded that minimum guaranteed pension should be there in the NPS, and the special committee report on NPS appointed a copy should be made available for NCJCM leaders. And also we demanded those people who are recruited in the year 2003, especially in railways, many employees whose examination was held in 2003, whose results came in 2003, but due to medical examination, psycho, and other examinations getting delayed, their posting orders, appointment orders were given after around 2004. Supreme Court already decided that those employees whose recruitment is 2003 should be covered, whose orders were given in 2004 should be covered under the old pension scheme. Cabinet Secretary told that directed the secretaries to examine this issue and settle the matter. As far as Act Apprentice are concerned, we told amendment brought in the Apprentice Act by Government of India. Basing on the amendment, the user department who have trained them should prepare how to utilize these people, observing them. Modalities to be prepared by the user department. Accordingly, we told previous to the amendment, railways used to 100% absorb these act apprentices, but so far no such orders were given after the amendment. After discussion with the railway board, 20% of the act apprentices are permitted to sit in the written examination in the RRC. We told 100% act apprenticeship should be regularized by suitable means. CRB directed Chairman Railway Board to hold discussions with the recognized federations and finalize the issue. And many issues connected with COVID and other matters were discussed, and they all will be examined in the light of our discussion. Already, Shivgopal Mishraji, Staff Side Secretary, circulated the discussions today, which was posted in all the WhatsApp groups. A fake letter supposed to be issued by Finance Secretary releasing the DA from 1st July is under circulation. It is a fake letter. There is no such letter. Cabinet Secretary clearly told in the meeting that any decision will be taken only after the cabinet approval. And the file, he has directed the file to be moved and put up before the cabinet. So, don't take that letter, which is a fake letter, into confidence, and don't rejoice. We have to fight for our rights. Southern Railway Mazdoor Union Jindabad, All India Railway Federation Jindabad, Workers Unity Jindabad. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.